from Wellington. So we've just arrived at a hotel. A bit crappier than I expected, but whatever. It was cheap. This is our bathroom. Not bad. This is our room. This is that girl that was in my Nepal vlogs. And that's our view. So we are in Wellington for a little while, only 3 days, and then we are gonna go back home. Then we're going to Sydney after that, but we're gonna go to Cuba Street today. Hello Wellingtonians. So look at how expensive petrol is here. So cash.
Can't see us.
So we're on our way to TSB Arena, and Suri just lied to Krishna again always taking her the wrong way. And yeah, we're going to like a market thing which our Uber driver told us to go to.
We're going to the waterfront,
and
it's like so windy and so cold, but like we really just don't even care, do we?
Nah, it's a YOLO day. We just had a drink and it's 5 o'clock on Monday. And yeah, pretty YOLO life going on here. We're gonna try to buy tickets to this WOW event thing, so stay tuned.
Peace out.
So this is what the WOW fashion show is about. Just by the wharf, and it is so windy.